Unveiling the secrets of termite prevention. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic that affects homes around the world: termite prevention. Whether you're a homeowner or just curious about these tiny creatures, understanding how to prevent termite infestations is crucial. Let's explore the meaning of termite prevention and why it's so important for protecting your home. Termites are small, wood-eating insects that live in colonies. They can cause significant damage to wooden structures and furniture, often going unnoticed for years. The key to managing termites is not just dealing with an infestation, but preventing it from happening in the first place. This is what we mean by termite prevention. Termite prevention involves taking steps to protect your property from becoming a target for termites. It includes both simple practices and professional treatments, such as regular inspections, having your home inspected by professionals to catch signs of termites early. Physical barriers, installing physical barriers during construction to prevent termites from accessing the wood. Chemical treatments, applying chemicals around your home to deter termites. Removing food sources, keeping wood, such as firewood and debris, away from the structure of your home. You can also take measures yourself to help prevent termite infestations. Some DIY tips include maintaining a dry environment. Termites love moisture, so fixing leaks and ensuring good drainage can make your home less attractive to them. Sealing entry points. Cracks in the foundation and around utility lines can be entry points for termites. Sealing these can help keep them out. Using termite-resistant materials. When building or renovating, choose materials that are resistant to termites, such as treated wood or metal frames. While DIY efforts are helpful, some situations require professional help. If you notice signs of termites, such as wood damage, mud tubes, or a swarm of termites, it's time to call in the experts. Professional termite controllers can provide effective treatments and ongoing protection plans to keep your home safe from termites. Termite prevention is an essential aspect of home maintenance that can save you a lot of trouble and expense in the long run. By understanding what termite prevention entails and taking proactive steps, you can protect your home from these destructive pests. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Stay safe and take care of your homes.